Namar ka jingnang jor ka jingrung Kyrthep u drugs, Shaki Shnong ki thao ka blakta jor ya ka laway jongki khon samla ka Sacred Heart Secondary School Marman ka penlong ya ka program Jingïakob Hapdeng ki school inter-school competition halor ka phang Voice Against Drugs kum shibenta ban pensngopat ba ya ka Jingpyrshah ya drugs. Hakani ka Jingïakob la iron san ya ki Khynnah pulia na ki school baper jong ka than marman mat ki than ki ba marjan bani shimbanta ha ki Jingïakob baper kum ka Jingïakob roi ka Jingïakob shat ka Jingïakob tho ese bat ka Jingïakob pen inya ki benta jong kini ki Jingïakob boro ki la long bet halor ka phang ban Pynpaw ya ka Jingpyrshah ya drugs bat ban Pynpaw ya ka Jingale ban rat ding khong ya new jingdi u bashir khai. Hakatega sngi lawan ban pensngan ya ka program daw MLA ka Nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds iem kumu kongsan haringkat ka Jingadon lang ka principal jong ka Sacred Heart Secondary School Marman ka sister Mercilet SD lem kiwe pan.
A 3-star student. I request all the students at hand. Smarties Tado. Give him a big round of applause. Come on, encourage your friends.
And personally, I advocate to the cause that we should say no to drugs. I've been advocating for this very cause for the past many years. If you take the time to see at various posts that have been posted in Facebook or Instagram, I must say and record that I have never failed to mention say no to drugs, say no to tobacco, and say yes to good health. It is very important. And I'm happy today that the school has taken this initiative to ensure that the generation to come, they will be aware about the consequences, the ramification that is going to take place in the society if the young generation will be indulged into drugs. Di perangan Shnong ini kini di senjang demokrasi hadu kata-kata ban pentikna ban pemnu ban penduk jadi drugs kalau demokrasi Badadu kapor kapag Khynnah Skul Kyrthep gidong hi kami hargilong sama gidong hi kapagongsan bagidong gijikikay na kapor sa kapor bagidi banong yang Drok sa ibang kentat mardor yang Drok namar kata gini kesini kapagongsan itu kata-kata habang ini yang Jingpyrshah kajong dari school but school gini sebentar Hapok jong penegasni barasni. I extend my best wishes to the other school also who have come all along despite of the weather condition like this. You have reached safe and sound into this premises to participate, and I wish you all the best in all your endeavors, especially in taking part in various activities that are going to organize by the school today. Along with Sotana, bagi bagaimana school, kumala ang sudu, hikmik pa di pada sabang dengan kita, school kelanang kiu nakapor sa kapor, kajinglah jong the sister ban petikna baga pule bukti kali kiu kena datang berkatan. Jingpyrshah nagalyang yung mission, hapo ko congregation, ban petikna ng school building kabayan, di kamera kelas kabayan, mathamdam, ban yo yang kinong hikay, ibet-ibet. Ban nga mga team manong, baginong hikay yung mga school, ibadan mentang, Kila Hapdeng na kami Shnong, kila Hapdeng na giway Shnong, kila Hapdeng na giway district, kami jala gidungin. Hiwan ni gijaka, gibagher. Hiwan magsaan ni banbet yung sumbay do kanyang sta. Ya kini Kyrthep kibarit ikun samla di Khynnah Skul do kanyang katong. So banai ke kuling ke kerbang ya kita bukai. Ya kita tristom ke jumhin. Wan pada ke jinghe ke babun kalau ada ke sil, kalau ada ke jakasa, kalau ada ke tin ketlik. Nek coba tahu ya kata Iwan bersyakri ni.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.